Welcome to Explore Hampton County. I'm Jack Hutto, Director of Communications in Hampton County School District.
In this episode, find out what happened at the Varnville Nature Trail and Walking Trail Cleanup Day.
Good morning and happy Earth Day! We are out at the Varnville Nature Trail with my fellow councilman in C.A.R, Noah Alexander, and my baby brother, Lee Mixson.
My wonderful sister.
That's right. And we are working on the Varnville Nature Trail to get it back up and running and have it be the beautiful trail that it will be and has been in the past. This is going to be a labor of love. This is not going to be something that we're going to finish today. So we will be having more cleanup days. But I encourage you to please come out, to please help us get our nature trail back up and running. I appreciate my brother being here so much and helping us. I appreciate Chairman Alexander, and I appreciate Mr. Bill Hager, Mr. Randy Vaughn, Ms. Linda Kelly, Ms. Faye Gooding, Mr. Lewis Hardison, Mr. Jack Hutto, for all your help. And please, just the next cleanup that we have, take some time out and come out and help us get our trail going again. Good morning, thanks.
Explore Hampton County is a production of Hampton County School District to promote the educational system and community of Hampton County for the purpose of communication, recruitment, and retention.